In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to find your Windows key and the Windows backup key you might not be aware of. A lot of people, they type in the command prompt or in PowerShell to grab it, but I'm going to show you how to download a tiny program. And that program is the easiest way to get the information for both license keys. Now open up your web browser, mine's Google Chrome, and once it opens up, type in majorgeeks.com. It's the website we want to go to. And once that loads up, on the left-hand side, it says Files with a list. So in that list, you want to click on where it says Covert Ops. If there's any ads, just close them. And then now the new list right here, you want to click on Product Key Recovery. And the one that we want is fourth from the top. I'm just going to highlight it here. It's Windows Key Viewer. Make sure you click on that one. It's a small file. And then once you click on it, scroll down just to make sure you got the right one. You'll see these two pictures right here. That's the right one. Scroll back up and there's a list in the center. Just click on the first one to be able to download the program. And once you do, it might take a few seconds to load up and it might have an ad right here. Just X that out and it'll download the file. In Google Chrome, it'll show on the top right. You can just click on it to open it up. If it doesn't show or you're using a different browser, just go to your downloads folder and that's where it'll be. And now that the program's open, you can see there's the license key. It says what version of Windows you have and the desktop name. So that's your key. If you go up to the advanced at the top though, click on it and it'll say get backup product key. So if you click on that, you can see there's a secondary key. You can see how the key changed. So that's pretty much it. So that's how you can check your Windows key and your backup key if you're having any issues with your regular Windows key. Thanks for watching. You can always like this video, subscribe to my channel, and always feel free to leave me a comment. See you next time.